Updating your payment information on iCloud is essential for ensuring uninterrupted access to your services. Follow these simple steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Open Settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. If you are using a Mac, open System Preferences. Step 2. Access your Apple ID. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top of the Settings menu. On a Mac, click on your Apple ID in the System Preferences window. Step 3. Go to Payment and Shipping. In the Apple ID menu, select Payment and Shipping. You may need to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID/Touch ID for verification. Step 4. Update payment information. Tap on the payment method you want to update. You can add a new payment method or edit existing details such as your credit card number, expiration date, and billing address. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payment information, make sure to save the changes. On iOS, tap Done or Save. On a Mac, simply close the window after your changes are made. Now your payment information is updated, and you can continue enjoying your iCloud services without interruption.